that question is purely predicated on the context that they're living in. In a place like Singapore, where Muslims have access to the political process, it's very important that they engage in it. Same in the United States and other places. Well, you have to define democracy, and democracy is government of, for, and by the people, one meaning of it. And there are people that believe that Islam is the rule of God, a theocratic state. That's not an accurate definition, because after the Prophet, nobody can speak on behalf of God. All they can do is attempt to try to understand what God would have told them. That's called ijtihad. And in that way, you can have a government of shura. I think shuracracy is a better term. The rule of